Hello YouTube, my name is Nephael. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and so that we can see each other someday. Anyway, so I wanted to make something special and nice for today. It's not Christmas, it's past Christmas, it's 28th. And then I asked AI if it could give me its secret recipes or some special recipes from the internet so that I could make something. But then I realized that I just typed, "Hi AI, you're the best chef in the whole world." Before I could continue, I just realized what I just typed and I'm like, I thought I was the best chef. Okay, not really, but it's good to hype yourself. So I've decided to cook something simple, very, very simple, not complicated. It's just rice and potatoes. And I'll show you how I'll do it without AI's help. And then next time, maybe we can let AI guide us. Okay? Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching this one also. Alright, so we already started. I want to make rice and potatoes, and these are some of the ingredients I'm going to use. Onions, and then I'll use potatoes and tomatoes. And then here, I don't know if I should use vinegar. I don't know if soy sauce will go with, because I want to use coconut milk. That one is a must. And then I'll put some I'll put garlic powder. I'll put paprika and onion powder. I would put rosemary. I'll put aromat. Smells really nice. So my onion is turning golden brown real fast. What I'm going to do now is put in the potatoes. And then mix it up real good. Then my spice journey will begin. I'll put onion powder first and garlic powder. Then I'll put aromat and paprika next when I put the tomatoes. And then I'll add coconut milk last when I put the rice. So I'll take you through the steps. Let me start with these two. So this is 1 teaspoonful of onion powder and half a teaspoonful of garlic powder. I'll start with that. In it goes. Then I'll stir it real well. Then I've added the tomatoes. So I'm going to add some salt and then put the next 2 spices. So this is 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of aromat. And it's all going in. So after mixing it up, that's how it looks. And it smells really well. So I'm going to pour in my rice. So this rice is 3 small cups of rice. I'm going to put 3 small cups of water and 1 more, so it's going to be 4 because of the potatoes. Now it has the 4 cups of water in. I'm going to put coconut milk here as I wait for the rice to start boiling. My cat just smelled the nice scents. So he's here, and this is half of this thermos cup of, what do we call it, coconut milk, yeah. And then I'll be finished. I'm just waiting for the rice to start boiling. So the bubbles have started forming. Just a little more patience. So a few minutes later, it has started sizzling. In the coconut milk goes all of it, and then I'll stir it. really well. then reduce the heat to a minimum. Then I'll cover it and let it simmer and cook. There's a nice aroma. So yeah, I'm done cooking. I'll just have to come and switch off the fire when it's dry. I'll show you the end result. Yeah, I'm better than AI, okay? I'll tell you. I'm telling you, I'll show you when it's dry how it will look. Once again, in case you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. Thank you. I literally have time for answering any questions you guys might have. So if you have any questions about my cooking methods, just type it in the comments below. Merry Christmas, Merry belated Christmas, and Happy New Year in advance. Yeah, we're still waiting for the food to cook. It's somewhere there. Where is it? Where is it? Where? I can see it. I can see it. Oh, it's been covered by the counter. Yeah. I'm giving it about less than 10 minutes. So, a few moments later, let's see. It's almost dry. Let me do this. It needs to come. Yeah, it smells nice. Let us stay covered a bit more, a bit longer, and then we'll see how it. Okay, we won't see. I'll eat it. I'll eat it, and then if you try my recipe, you'll eat it too and see that it's great. It's been 5 minutes. I'm still waiting for it to dry. My hair is long. It's cascading down my back. So I believe that the food is ready. Let's go see it. As my blue eyes tell me, the food is done. It's dry. Super dry. It smells really wonderful. So off it goes, and I'll get ready to eat. Thank you for watching so far. I really appreciate you, and may you have a happy new year, and I hope that you'll one day try out my recipe and enjoy it. So thank you. I love you. Take care.